Welcome back, and in this video I will show you how to do a simple extrude in SolidWorks. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the extruded boss base feature. So first we'll start with a sketch. So we'll go up to sketch, we'll select plane, and we'll just use a small circle. So we'll sketch our profile and hit OK, exit sketch. So we have our circle. So we want to extrude the circle upwards. So we'll go to Features. We'll click on Extruded Boss Base. And it'll ask us to select a plane or a sketch. So we'll click our circle. And then you'll see the preview start. Now we can adjust how far we'd like to extrude. So we can either drag the arrow, or we can go over on the left and type in a certain number for our distance. And if we'd like, we can go and hit direction 2, and we can extrude in the opposite direction, and then hit OK. And you can see we have created a cylinder. Now maybe you want to do a second extrude off the top of this cylinder, so we can do the same process again. We'll say sketch, and we'll click on the surface, and then we'll do another circle. Hit OK, exit sketch, and then we'll go back to features. We'll click Extruded Boss Base, click the new circle, adjust our extrude height, hit OK. And that is how you use the SolidWorks Extruded Boss Base.